Bitcoin's price reach $1 million. Journalists at Bloomberg have compiled a possible forecast of how it could happen. Bitcoin's way to 1 million, from now to 2028. A US bank announces it was hacked, and all of its deposits were stolen. Regulators around the world reassure account holders that their money is safe. 2018, Bitcoin hits 40,000. Venezuela, Greece, and a few African countries adopt Bitcoin, and Alibaba starts accepting crypto payments. 2021, Bitcoin hits 100,000. Wormhole, a Trojan virus injected in the global banking systems, starts stealing data and cash from bank accounts across the world. 2023, Bitcoin hits 200,000. A 10-year-old schoolgirl in Pittsburgh discovers Wormhole and exposes it on social media, triggering a global bank run. Major central banks switch to blockchain and issue their own cryptocurrencies. 2026, Bitcoin hits 500,000. The global financial system is destroyed. Traditional banks are dead. Cryptocurrencies, Alipay, and Amazon payment systems dominate the world. 2028, Bitcoin hits 1 million. The New World Order has arrived.